A recent mental well-being report reveals that the United Kingdom is positioned second worst, surpassing Uzbekistan. The research attributes the lower scores in affluent nations to early age smartphone use, consumption of ultra-processed foods, and a breakdown in interpersonal relationships leading to increased loneliness. Hi, welcome to Nirog Street Global. Today is World Health Day and the theme for this time is My Health, My Right. This year's theme was chosen to champion the right of everyone, everywhere to have access to quality health services. We will put an insight to the healthcare sector scenario, particularly Ayurveda and traditional medicine. As you know, Ayurveda is the oldest system with a documented history of its practice more than 5,000 years. But why demand of Ayurveda day by day is increasing around the globe? A study by Technavio says the global Ayurveda market size is estimated to grow by $7.19 billion at a compound annual growth rate of 16.01% between 2023 and 2028. The market is experiencing substantial growth as a result of rising demand for natural treatments. Due to their perceived safety, low side effects, and wide approach to health, consumers are increasingly drawn to herbal medicines. Ayurveda and other indigenous herbal practices are examples of this driver around the world. Furthermore, as consumers seek natural alternatives to synthetic drugs, the market is growing, generating opportunities for enterprises to meet this growing need for natural health solutions. The increasing number of people diagnosed with chronic diseases due to changes in lifestyle and eating habits has created a need for the consumption of herbal medicines and supplements. Ayurvedic products can be consumed by people regularly as they are derived from naturally occurring components. These herbal extract supplements have been scientifically proven to promote the health of consumers in addition to providing natural benefits. Governments of various countries such as India have taken initiatives to promote the use of herbal extract-based pharmaceutical products and increase consumer awareness about the safety and effectiveness of Ayurvedic supplements. For instance, in May 2021, the Ministry of Ayush in India launched a nationwide campaign to distribute its polyherbal Ayurvedic drugs Ayush 64 for COVID patients. The increasing demand for natural products is expected to increase from personal care application segment and hence drive the growth of the market. In response to consumers' demand for natural and substantial ingredients, herbal extracts have been used in skin care, hair care and cosmetics. Plant-based extracts such as aloe vera, chamomile and green tea are being incorporated into products. The main key factors driving market growth is increased consumer demand, increased accessibility, and rising disposable incomes globally. Makers of Ayurvedic products are tapping into the natural components of herbal remedies to cater to chronic health issues and lifestyle choices. So we can say 1,000 years old healthcare system Ayurveda is made in India, serve for the world. Nirog News Global.